Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer networks. The first question is, which of these is not a network edge device? Given options are A. PC, B. Smartphones, C. Servers, D. Switch. Your correct answer is option D. Switch. So network edge devices refers to host systems, which can be host applications like web browsers. A switch cannot operate as a host, but as a central device which can be used to manage network communications. Our next question. A dash is the physical path over which a message travels. Given options are A. Path, B. Medium, C. Protocol, D. Route. The correct answer is option B. Medium. Messages travel from sender to receiver via a physical path called the medium using a set of methods rules called protocol. Mediums can be guided, that is wired, or unguided, that is wireless. Next question. Three or more devices share a link in dash connection. Given options are A. Unipoint, B. Multipoint, C. Point-to-point, D. Simplex. Your correct answer is option B. Multipoint. So a multipoint communication is established when three or many network nodes are connected to each other. Frame relay, Ethernet, and ATM are some examples of multipoint connections. Our next question. When collection of various computers syncs a single coherent system to its client, then it is called dash. The given options are A. Computer network, B. Distributed system, C. Networking system, D. Mail system. Your correct answer is option B. Distributed system. So a computer network is defined as a collection of interconnected computers which uses a single technology for connection. A distributed system is also the same as computer network, but the main difference is that the whole collection of computers appears to its users as a single coherent system. For example, World Wide Web. Our next question. Two devices are in network if dash. Given options are a process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. Option B. A process is running on both devices. Option C. PIDs of the processes running of different devices are same. Option D. A process is active and another is inactive. Your correct answer is option A. A process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. A computer network or data network is a digital telecommunication network which allows nodes to share resources. In computer networks, computing devices exchange data with each other using connections between nodes. The nodes have certain processes which enable them to share a specific type of data using a distinct protocol. Thank you.